lecture we have discussed about types of the solution, solute and solvent phase dissolve into each other. You can obtain different types of the solution. Examples are there: mist, moist, then carbon dioxide dissolve in water, and then next point is the capacity of solution to dissolve the solute. Here any type of the solution can be prepared. Solute is added into the solvent, then you can obtain solution. But what is the capacity of the solvent or solute is dissolved into the solvent? This capacity means that solute is dissolved into the solvent, then you can obtain dissociation is takes place. Means that the solute is added into the solvent. At that point, the maximum solute is added, and then the dissolution is stopped. Then this solution is called as saturated solution, or this dynamic equilibrium is reached. Here the solute and solvent you can obtain solution, then the dissociation is takes place. Here dissociation means that, consider the example, sodium chloride salt is dissolved into the water, then dissociation is takes place into the ion Na plus and Cl1 minus ion is dissolved into the water, H plus and OH minus ion. Na plus ion combines with OH minus ion, and then Cl1 minus ion combines with H plus ion. You can obtain dissociation is takes place, and then sodium chloride solution is prepared. This is the NaCl solution. Then after some time the solution is prepared, and then recrystallization or crystallization takes place. Solution obtain again solute particle, means that this precipitation is takes place or crystallization is takes place. Then what is meant by saturated solution? Solute is dissolved into the solvent, means that the maximum quantity of the solute is added into the minimum quantity of the solvent, and then at that particular point or temperature, the addition of the solute, dissolution is stopped, and then this solution is called as saturated solution. Means that you can consider the example, in a beaker 100 ml water is taken, and then you can add the maximum quantity of the 200 grams of sugar is added, and then at a particular stage solute cannot be dissolved into the solvent, and then this particular stage is called as saturated stage of solution. This is called as saturated solution. And then supersaturated solution. The supersaturated solution, the solute is added into the solvent, the dissolution is stopped, and then the crystallization is takes place. It is called as supersaturated solution. The tiny crystal of the solute is added, it occur precipitation, means that precipitation reaction. Consider the example, silver nitrate and then sodium chloride, then you can obtain AgCl precipitate, and then sodium nitrate side product is obtained here. The AgCl is the white precipitate obtained in this reaction, means that this both reactants are reacts with each other. You can obtain precipitation, means solute is added into the solvent, the tiny crystals of the solute is added, it occur precipitation. And then another point is the what is meant by solubility. This solubility, it is the amount of the solute present in the volume per unit volume. Solubility is amount of the solute present in a per unit volume. Solute is also number of moles of the solute dissolved into the solvent. Solvent is taken in a volume in a liter. Unit of the solubility is moles per liter. Here the solute is taken in a number of moles, that is the moles, and then solvent is taken in a volume. Volume is also expressed in a liter, that is the per liter. It is also written in this way, moles per liter or moles per liter.